Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create Moody portrait preset. Here's some example of this preset. Before, after, before, after. Let's start. At first go to Light and select Curve. See this graph carefully. Change contrast 20. Highlight -100. Change shadows -45. White +24. Change black -13. Next go to color option. Change temperature -24. +2 for tint. Change vibrance +41. -21 for saturation. Then go to color mix. Red hue +24. Saturation -21 for red. Go to orange section. Change orange hue -17. -14 saturation. Luminance 21 for orange. Go to yellow section. Change hue -70. -79 saturation for yellow. Go to green section. Change green hue -1000. Saturation -100. Go to cyan, change hue 50. Saturation -38. Go to blue section. Change blue -66. Saturation -54. Go to violet section. Change violet hue -24. Go to effects. Change clarity 18. Change dehaze +19. Change vignette -20. Go to split tone. See this carefully, you also change this your own editing skill. Balance -76. Now complete this preset. Here's some example of this preset. Are you like this video? So please drop a like and leave a comment. Also subscribe this channel for more upcoming preset.